Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about which Samsung and Huawei smartphone will upgrade to Android 10. A few days after the official presentation of Android 10, Huawei announced a list of devices that are guaranteed to be updated to the latest version of the operating system. In addition, Sam Mobile portal called Samsung tablets and smartphone ready for Android Q. First of all, Huawei intends to upgrade 8 flagship smartphones to the 10th version of Android. Huawei P30, Huawei P30 Pro, Huawei Mate 20, Huawei Mate 20 Pro, Huawei Mate 20X, Huawei Mate 20 RS Pro design, Honor View 20, Honor Magic 2. There are the devices of the so-called first wave, which will receive the new version of Android first. It is likely that in the future, Huawei will expand the list of supported models. In the case of Samsung devices, there is no official information yet, but Sam Mobile has compiled a list of the most likely candidates for upgrading to Android 10 based on the company's traditional policy of supporting its devices. Owners of the following models can rely on Android Q: Samsung Galaxy Fold, Galaxy S10e, S10 and S10 Plus, Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy A9 2018, Galaxy A7 2018, Galaxy A6 2018, Galaxy A6 Plus 2018, Galaxy A80, Galaxy A70, Galaxy A50, Galaxy A40, Galaxy A30, Galaxy A20, Galaxy A20e, Galaxy A10, Galaxy J6 and J6 Plus, Galaxy J8 and J8 Plus, Galaxy M10, Galaxy M20, Galaxy M30, Galaxy Tab S4, Galaxy Tab S5e, Galaxy Tab A 10.1 2019, Galaxy Tab A 10.5 2018. In the case of Samsung devices, the list is not final and in reality may differ from the plans of the South Korean corporation. Recall that the beta version of Android Q can test owners of all generations of Pixel, as well as some smartphones from Asus, Nokia, Huawei, LG, OnePlus, Oppo, Sony, Vivo, Xiaomi and other companies. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell icon and enjoy the latest upload from Technologist Expert, your own YouTube tech channel.